How to sign up and create an account on bit.io. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to bit.io. Once the website loads, you will see a sign up button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. You will now have few options to create your account. You can sign up using your Google account, Apple ID or Microsoft account, which is the fastest way. Or if you prefer, you can use your email address instead. If you choose the email option, simply enter your email, hit the sign up with org email button, create a strong password and then click create account. After that, check your inbox for a confirmation email from bit.io. Open it and click on the verify link to activate your account. Once verified, you will be redirected back to the bit.io dashboard. As you can see, the site might sometimes experience some issues, so in this case, I will go with the sign up with Google option. Choose your Google account and hit continue. You have now successfully signed up using Google. Next, enter your name and workspace name, then hit continue. You will also get the option to invite an editor if you are collaborating with someone. After that, bit.io will ask a few quick setup questions, just answer them and click continue. You can now start exploring the platform. You can upload or record your video right away or check out free templates, subtitles and AI tools available on the dashboard to start editing professionally. That's all it takes to set up your bit.io account and begin your video editing journey. Now you know how to sign up and create an account on bit.io. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.